Hi, I'm Adithya Menon. I'm an actor and I've been in the industry for a little over 20 years now. So as an actor, one of the main things that we have to do along with makeup is also to make sure that the hair is okay. And for most of these years, my hairline has been thinning subsequently, and it has accumulated to a point where I've had to use keratin hair fibers in order to cover the scalp so that you don't see a shine on the scalp. And the quantity of this keratin hair fibers had to keep growing more and more over the years because the hairline kept thinning out more and more. I did come across many friends of mine who have done hair transplants, and in some cases it looked good, in some cases it did not because it was not done properly. So I was always a little skeptical about getting a hair transplant done. And in my mind I was exploring the ideas of maybe going in for some kind of a hair wig or one of those things at a later point in time, or to just go bald. So I was not really prepared to go in for a hair transplant till I came across DHI. In DHI, there is a process which is very different, and finally at this point in time, I am now prepared to go in for a hair transplant with DHI. So I'm actually speaking in the middle of the procedure to show you how actually simple it is. I can hardly feel anything because I'm anesthetized well. So I did the harvesting, everything was taken out from the back of the head, and now it's just going to the front of my head. How does it look? Oh, nice. This is cool. And my procedure is finally complete. It should grow out and it takes its own process.